Hello, myself Kinjal Patel. Welcome to my channel Basic of Mathematics. Today our topic in arithmetic progressions chapter nth term. We know what is arithmetic progressions. Arithmetic progression, that means difference between any two consecutive terms are equal as well as non-zero, and this sequence is called arithmetic progressions. In this arithmetic progression, suppose you want to find some term, then its formula is nth term Tn or An. This is the symbol of nth term. Its formula is a plus n minus 1 into d, where a stands for first term, d stands for difference between any two consecutive terms of given arithmetic progression. So you can write here a is equal to first term and d is equal to, you can take difference between second term minus first term or third term minus second term. You can take any two consecutive terms difference. So this is your d, this is your a, and n is your nth term. Nth term, that means suppose you want to find the third term, so your n is 3. Suppose you want to find 100th term, so your n is 100. So n stand for given term. Let us consider one example for finding a sum term. Find 101's term of arithmetic progression 5, 11, 17 ... So in these questions, here in arithmetic progression, this is arithmetic progression is given in your question. That's why you should be write here in arithmetic progression 5, 11, 17 ... First of all, you should be write a and d. So what is your a? A, that means first term is 5. What is your d? D, that means second term minus first term you supposed to take. So this is your 6. After finding a and d, you should be write nth term formula. So you should be write, we know an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now what you want to find here? 101's term. That means A101 is equal to question mark. You can write this is A101 or T101, both are equal. This is just a symbol. So now A101 is equal to, instead of A you should be write its value 5, plus instead of N you should be write 101, minus 1 as it is, instead of D you should be write its common difference 6. So 5 plus 101 minus 1 is 100 into 6. So your answer 101 term is equal to 5 plus 100 into 6 is 600. So A101 is equal to 605. So answer in given arithmetic progressions 100 and first term is 605. Let us consider one more example based on this nth term formula. For arithmetic progression 5, 10, 15, 20 ... 200. What is the number of terms? In previous example, this is infinite. It has no end. But you want to find this infinite series 101's term. So you can find this way. But in these questions, what is in these questions? Here in arithmetic progression 5, 10, 15 ... 200. This is the finite arithmetic progression. Finite, that means it has a starting point as well as ending terms. That's why this is called finite. So what is given here? A is equal to 5. D is common difference between second term minus first term or third term minus second term. 10 minus 5 is 5. One more thing is given in your question, last term, that means nth term, because you don't know number of term in given arithmetic progression. So an is equal to 200. Now what is your question? What is the number of term? That means you want to find here n, number of term in given arithmetic progression. So definitely an, d and a is given, so you should be use an formula. So you can write, we know an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Put corresponds value. An is 200, a is 5, n you want to find, so write as it is. D is also 5. Now simplify this, change side of 5. So this is 200 minus 5. This is n minus 1 into 5. So 200 minus 5, this is become 195 is equal to n minus 1 into 5. 5 in multiplication, 8 in division. So 195 divided by 5 is equal to n minus 1. So 5 3s are 15 and 4 is left. 5 9s are 45. So 39 is equal to n minus 1. Change side of minus 1, so this become a plus 1. That's why your n is equal to 39 plus 1. So your n is equal to 4040. That means in given arithmetic progressions, total you have 40 terms. Let us consider one more example. In this third example, if in arithmetic progression A7 is equal to 12, A7 is the symbol of 7th term, and A12, that means you have 12th term, which is equal to 72. Find AN, that means nth term you want to find here. So what is given in your question? Here 7th term is equal to 12. 12th term is equal to 72 and AN, that means nth term is question mark. So definitely this is related to the AN, that's why you should be use AN formula, that means nth term formula. We know AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So you want to find AN, first of all you want to find value of A and D. How you can find? Definitely whatever given in your question, you should be use this thing and find out required thing. Now A7 is equal to 12. So what is A7 formula by using this? A plus 7 minus 1 into D. So this is become A plus 6D is equal to 12. Understood? This 6 come by 7 minus 1. So this is your equation 1. Same way, A12 is equal to 72. So you can write A plus 12 minus 1 into D. So 12 minus 1 into D become 11D, which is equal to 72. So this is your equation 2. Now by our chapter 3, pair of linear equations. So these and these are linear equation in form of A and D. Now solve these two linear equation and find out the value of variable A and D. So now solve 1 and 2 by any method. So I apply here elimination method. So how you can solve these two pair of linear equation? So A plus 6D is equal to 12 and second A plus 11D is equal to 72. We want to eliminate here A, change sign of this all. So cancel this. 6 minus 11 is minus 5D. 72 minus 12 is 60, but biggest digit sign minus 60. So your D is equal to minus 60 upon minus 5. So your D is minus minus plus 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are, so 12. So value of D is 12. Put this value in one of these equation. So you can write, put D is equal to 12 in equation 1. So what is your equation 1? A plus 6D is equal to 12. So A plus 6 into 12 is equal to 12. So your A is equal to 7. A plus 72 is equal to 12. So what is your A? 12 minus 72. So what is your A? 72 minus 12 is 60, and put biggest digit sign minus 60. So this is the value of A. Now what you want to find in these questions? You want to find AN. So what is your AN formula? A plus 1 into D. So your AN become, instead of A you should be write its formula, sorry, you put its value minus 60 plus N as it is, instead of D you should be write 12. Multiply this 12 inner side, minus 60 plus 12 and minus 12. Minus 60 minus 12 become minus 72. So your AN become 12 and minus 72. So this is your answer of AN. So you can simplify any example by this way. If you really my like channel, please share and subscribe it. Thank you.